We're going to look at some special numbers that have particular names. These are called square numbers and cube numbers. Let's start with looking at square numbers. Here are some patterns using square tiles arranged in a square. The first picture has 1 tile. The second picture has 4 tiles. The third picture has 9 tiles. We get these numbers as follows. The first picture has 1 row and 1 column. The second picture has 2 rows and 2 columns, and the third picture has 3 rows and 3 columns. We can see that 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. Any positive integer multiplied by itself is called a square number. So, the next shape in our pattern has 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 is the next square number. As this continues, we find that 5 times 5 equals 25, 6 times 6 equals 36, 7 times 7 equals 49, 8 times 8 equals 64, 9 times 9 gives us 81, and 10 times 10 equals 100. So, we have now obtained all of the square numbers up to 100. Here is a list of the square numbers. Try to learn as many of them as you can. They come up in all sorts of places. We can write square numbers in a different way using indices or powers. 1 times 1 is written as 1 squared, or 1 to the power of 2. A 2 is used because there are 2 1s multiplied together. We can repeat this all the way down to 10 squared.